Hi friends, welcome back. This is Anne, author of hiddenfarmlife.com. The holidays are over, believe it or not. It's mid-January, and if you're anything like me, I feel the need for some organization. Not that things got out of hand over the holidays, but you have people in and out, you know, kids open their gifts, and there's just a little bit more clutter with decorations and things than there is normally during the year. So that's why I am taking on a new project. And if you're anything like me, I absolutely love watching like a renovation, an overhaul, an update. So that's what I'm going to do. I need a dedicated space that is organized and somewhere that I can work on all my different things that I have to work on, like my massage business, the farm business, homeschooling, and YouTube. I can keep it all in one space, but it's separate from the rest of the house. So come along with me and I will show you what we're getting started. When we bought this house, and I'm sorry about the echo, the acoustics in this room are horrible. When we bought this house almost 5 years ago, it was sold as a 4-bedroom, 2-bathroom. This room is adjacent to our bedroom, and we weren't really quite sure what to make of it. It seems to be part of the original house, but there's nothing underneath of it, and it almost looked like a porch that they had closed in. So let me turn you around and show you what we're working with. So this is what I'm working with. I did paint these walls already in a Benjamin Moore color, and if you are interested in that color, I can post it below. I used this as an area to film for yoga, and there's a window up here. We took a window out over here. There's one bathroom here, and then there's one bathroom on this wall, and this is bonus space. We really haven't ever used this room for anything, and there's a door there to the back, and then out back, I don't know if you can see, that's like the side of our property is divided 2 sides, the house side and across the lane. This is about half of this side. Anyway, doesn't matter. This room it's got, if you can see, a lot of scuff marks on it. I did just sweep and mop in here, and this is just from regular wear and tear, but it's almost like a porch floor. So this is what we're working with. Now let me tell you what I'm going to do. So I decided this room gets so much sun during the day. Like it's crazy. Let me turn around. I'm facing the windows now. Look at this light. I mean, I do have an overhead light on, but the light, the natural light in here is crazy. So I thought I would turn this room into a workspace because, as I mentioned earlier in the video, I need to have some organization. And for that to happen, I need a dedicated space. There are a lot of things I need time to do on the computer, and I need to write for the blog. So I need a dedicated space apart from the rest of the home. So what I'm going to do, we're gonna start out, I've cleaned out this room, and we're gonna start by painting the floor because it's, as you saw, it's pretty gnarly. So we're gonna start with that, and then I'll show what's coming next. So we're about halfway finished, and you can see it's a very obvious difference between the old color and the new color. I am super, super pleased with this color. I think it's going to reflect the light in the room really well, since, like I said, I don't know what's happening with the focus. I'm sorry, this camera. It's gonna look so nice and fresh and new. Yes, can't wait. Here it is, all nice and finished. As you can see, depending on the light, right now on camera it looks grayer. In person it looks a little bit greener. I think depending on the light and how it hits it. And I think because there's nothing really in here yet, my camera's having a hard time focusing. Wanted to show you, I got this rug. If you watch my other video, my Aldi grocery haul, and I'll link that up above, I got this washable rug at Aldi. So I'm gonna put this down and get this room put back together and get started. Part of my organization is being able to fulfill my obligations with computer work, but I also wanted to feel like I was accomplishing some of my personal goals. And I thought about it and I did some research, and a way for me to do that, because I hate sitting at a desk. And sometimes when I have computer work to do, it could be a whole day, like 8 to 5 or 9 to 5. So in order for me to get computer work done and get something done on my personal list, I ordered these. I don't know if you can see. This is a standing / walking desk, and this is a compact treadmill. So what I am going to do is stand at a desk and walk on a treadmill while I am working on the computer. So I thought it would be fun if we open these together and put them together and set them up in the room. Alrighty, the room is coming together. It's almost finished, but you'll have to stay tuned for part 2 to see the reveal and the finished product. See you then.